In today's world, every connection counts. From crimping terminals onto wires to pressing connectors onto boards. Our equipment is designed to maximize production, ensure consistent quality, and minimize manufacturing waste. With our unparalleled global field services team, we're ready to support you wherever you are. For over 75 years, TE has provided manufacturers with sophisticated solutions. Crimping and pin insertion for PCB boards, SRC Octacrimp machines and applicators, FFC FPC termination machines for your complex connectivity needs, heat shrink processes to protect your wires, automated solutions for the toughest cable preparation requirements. Our purpose is to create a safer, sustainable, productive, and connected future. We aim to provide you with the end-to-end 1TE solution